Sometimes you're not in the mood to prepare a big meal, or sometimes you just don't have the time, but you want to get that energy boost and you want to be able to have something quick in the morning, but you don't have time to cook. This is a problem, but I have the solution. At a lot of these club warehouses, they're offering some wonderful things that you could totally take advantage of. For example, these organic juices. I mean, this is organic carrot juice. Now, I know when you see carrot juice, the first thing you're not thinking is, carrot juice. But believe me, it makes a spectacular foundation for a quick and easy and healthy, energy-boosting organic breakfast treat or afternoon pick-me-up instead of coffee. What I do is I purchase one of these organic frozen packages that has a blend of vegetables and has a blend of fruit in it. This particular one is not 1000% my favorite. It's pretty close. See, I like to try to avoid as many carb intakes as I can. And usually when this is sold at Costco, it's just berries and kale and spinach, but they added bananas to it. It happens to be the last ingredient, so it's not terrible. I would prefer if the bananas weren't in it. And guess what? If you want, you could take the bananas out. You want to do this quickly and easily and fast. Make it and go. And I don't want to take out a blender and blend this stuff up. So what I like to use is a handheld emulsifier. This particular emulsifier here is really awesome, and they don't make it anymore. A lot of the stuff that I overuse at my restaurant makes it to this house. And it's okay if you're gonna buy one of these and you're gonna be juicing regularly. I don't recommend you go cheap. There's a link below to a couple that I think are really exceptional. I deal with a company called Webster on Store. I really like Webster on Store a lot. They have really fantastic prices. The downside is sometimes their shipping can be a little pricey. But besides that, you can get some commercial quality emulsifiers at a really fair price. If you're just gonna be doing this once in a blue moon, I don't recommend you pick one up from Webster on Store. But there's a link for a couple options down below. Making this juice is extremely simple. I just take my beverage holder, whatever you carry with you, and this carrot juice here only has 70 calories for 8-ounce serving. So and there's 4 servings here, it's 32 ounces. So if you put in 8 ounces of the carrot juice, then you take out a package of these. They're really convenient. They come pre-packaged. Now, a whole package is a lot. So I kind of use half, but you could use as much as you want. And one package has 110 calories. So if you use this whole package, you're talking about 180 calories, which is really insignificant. So I'm gonna pour in as much as I need here, and I'm kind of gonna, well, I'll just throw the bananas in there too. So if you see half a package of this, I'm drooling here, it's so good. A half a package with the juice almost fills up this 20-ounce container. Then I'm just gonna use my emulsifier and blend it up. That just gets rinsed off in the sink. You're done. Put your lid on your drink and you're ready to go. The thing that's lacking from this is protein. Now, if you want to add protein to this, you can put in some nuts. I'm not going to give you a huge amount of protein, and I'm not a big fan of these protein blends. But the one thing that I have used in the past is a pea powder, a protein pea powder, which is really kind of a nice alternative. It doesn't have much flavor. It gives you a significant amount of protein. I put a link with it below. You can purchase that from Vitacost. So you can add a little protein powder to this. Sometimes I throw some almonds in there if I feel like chewing it up a little bit. Like if I want a chewy texture, I'll put some almonds in there. This is a really great and delicious breakfast treat, afternoon treat, instead of a coffee treat. And from this package, if you only use half a bag, which is what I used, you'll have 16 smoothies a week for like around $15. So cheers, stay healthy, enjoy organic, and thank you for tuning in. so good.